Realme is gearing up to launch the Watch 3 Pro in India on September 6. Alongside the watch, the company will also unveil the Realme C33 and Buds Air 3S. However, just days ahead of the launch, Realme Watch 3 Pro has been listed on Flipkart, revealing full specifications and images of the device. The smartwatch is confirmed to come with a large AMOLED display, Bluetooth calling, built-in GPS, and more. Realme Watch 3 Pro's Flipkart listing, initially spotted by tipster Mukul Sharma, reveals the full specifications as well as the price of the watch. It is listed on the e-commerce platform with a price of around $69. The watch will be available in two color options, gray and black. As per the Flipkart listing, the Realme Watch 3 Pro will feature a 1.78-inch AMOLED display that offers a 368 by 448 pixel resolution. It will also carry support for always-on display functionality. The design of the watch appears to be quite simple. It has a rectangular dial and is equipped with silicone strap material. Realme Watch 3 Pro will be launched as a unisex watch and will be ideal for both men and women. The watch is listed to be equipped with accelerometer and heart rate sensors. Moreover, it will have Bluetooth calling feature, meaning you'll have complete calling functionality through your watch. It will allow you to not only receive call notifications on your smartwatch, but also attend them directly through the watch's built-in speaker and microphone. The wearable is equipped with a battery, which is rated to last up to 10 days. The watch is claimed to charge fully in around 150 minutes. I hope this video was useful for you. Do not forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see you soon.